Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this tutorial I want to show you how you can use live photo option in TikTok video. In the TikTok application you may see this option to set TikTok video as wallpaper. I'll show you. This is very interesting. Watch till the end. Open your TikTok application, go to your profile, and here where you'll see the videos you posted. So click on the three dots and scroll to your left, and here you can see live photo option. Click on that live photo option and it will ask you install a small app called TikTok wall picture. So click on that install, and you need to first install that. Once you complete installation, you need to go back to the I have installed that app. Now you need to come back to your TikTok app and click on these three dots, and now again click on that live photo option. So once you click on that live photo option, you will get an option called apply. So click on that and click on set. So live photo saved successfully. Now go to your home screen of the mobile, and here you can see that particular video is set as your wallpaper on your mobile. So now if you observe, there is TikTok and TikTok wallpaper, two apps on your phone. So what it does exactly, live photo option is it will set a TikTok video as your phone wallpaper. So now again open the TikTok and for example choose a video which is random. For example this one, click on the share symbol and scroll to your left and click on live photo. This video gets downloaded, and once it is downloaded it will be available in the TikTok live wallpaper. So I'll minimize this. This is already set. If you click on this TikTok live wallpaper, go to set live wallpaper. This is the video which I recently downloaded by clicking on live photo option. So wherever you click on live photo option, that video gets downloaded and it will be available. From here you can choose and click on set as live wall photo. So now I have changed the live wall photo to a different one. So this is how you can set a TikTok video as a live wallpaper on your mobile screen. So for your videos to set, go to your profile and choose one of your video and click on these three dots and click on live photo. That's get downloaded and will be available here in the TikTok wall picture, and you can set that as the wallpaper. So this is my video, and now I have set this to live wallpaper on my phone. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you like, please share it to your friends.